price tag of only $230, 700 watts of peak power, and only 29 pounds? Yes, today we're taking a look at the Alto TX312, a 12-inch powered loudspeaker. Should you even consider the speaker? Let's check it out. Hello, Wouter here from ErweeTech. I've been a technical director for many years now. Speakers, mixers, microphones, all the way from the most expensive ones all the way down to entry-level speakers like the one we're taking a look at today. In this video, we'll cover the TX312's key features, performance, connectivity, durability, and pricing. I'll also touch on its versatile setup options and why it's a solid choice for beginner DJs or even just having a big-ass speaker at your home. Let's dig into it. Product overview. Alto Professional has built a reputation for delivering budget-friendly audio equipment, and the TX3 series continues that tradition. The bi-amplified two-way powered speaker, first introduced in 2021, is all about portability and performance. With 700 watts of peak power and 300 watts of continuous power, it's perfect for small venues and events. The speaker features a 12-inch woofer and a 1-inch titanium compression driver, designed to deliver solid bass and crisp highs. Technical details. The TX312 offers a frequency response of 70 Hz all the way up to 20 kHz at -3 decibels and features a maximum SPL of 120 decibels. The speaker's 90 to 60 degree horn coverage provides wide consistent coverage, while the D-class amplifier ensures efficient power usage with minimal heat. The 2.5 kHz crossover ensures balanced sound across the entire frequency range. The speaker also includes a contour EQ, which boosts the lows and highs by 3 decibels, giving you more control over its performance in different environments. You also get a ground lift button if you ever need to get rid of those nasty earthing or buzzing issues. Quality and performance. The TX312 shines in terms of both portability and decent sound quality. Its lightweight 29.3 pound build makes it easy to transport, while the injection molded polypropylene cabinet ensures deliverability for on-the-go gigs. Despite its compact size, it delivers a clean and clear sound well suited for smaller events and gatherings. I would imagine these to be perfect for small wedding ceremonies, even small wedding receptions. Utilizing them for a house party is also a great idea. Versatility and connectivity. The TX312 features a balanced XLR/TRS combo input along with an XLR link output, allowing you to daisy chain multiple speakers for larger setups. You can use it for upright PA purposes or tilt it on its sides for a monitor or a wedge. The pole mountable design offers flexibility for different stage setups. Durability and design. Built to last, TX32 features a rugged trapezoidal design with a full steel grille to protect its drivers. Its lightweight construction doesn't sacrifice durability, making it perfect for mobile sound professionals who need gear that can handle frequent transport and setups. It features 2 sides and 1 top handle, making it easy for transport. Now let's talk about the price. At around $230, the Alto TX312 is one of the most affordable speakers in its class, making it fantastic value for entry-level DJs or small venues or anyone looking for a small, reliable, portable speaker. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the Alto TX312 is a fantastic option for anyone looking at the bottom end of budgets here for a portable PA speaker. It delivers clear, consistent sound, and its lightweight design makes it perfect for mobile events. It's definitely not a main concert system rig here, but every production house needs a few of these backstage to set up as monitors, small corporate talks, or last-minute needs. For the price and its usefulness, it's just unbeatable. Do you have any experience with the TX312? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this. Till next time.